How to create new Gmail account on Gmail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Gmail application on your device and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Add Another Account option you see there. Further, tap on the Google option and now in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Continue button. Now, tap on the Create Account option you see there and you will be asked if you want to create the account for personal use or work or business. So, select your preferred option. I will select for personal use. Now, enter your full name, your birth date, your gender, and tap on Next, and then select your email address from the provided options, or you can also tap on the Create Your Own Gmail address and then enter your own email address. Tap on Next once done, and you will then be required to enter the password. So enter the password and tap on the Next option, and with this, your new Gmail account will be all set. So this is how you can create new Gmail account on Gmail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.